how we like to reinvent our leftovers. Let's get started. I have some stuffing here, and to that I am going to add a little bit of this corn, and then we are going to soften this up in the microwave so the stuffing is a little bit more pliable. That looks good. I've got this all stirred together. Now I'm going to get out my other ingredients. I am going to put gravy in the bottom of this baking dish I decided to use. You're going to want a good 1/4 inch of gravy on the bottom. I picked this up at my local Kroger, and this is what we are going to use for our roll-ups. I'm going to just stagger these a little bit. Since I tore that one a little bit, I will put it on the inside there, and we'll cover it up. And I'm just going to lay out all of my vegan lunch meat like this. Now I'm going to take a scoop of our stuffing and corn that we warmed up just to make it more pliable, and I'm going to kind of shape it into a little log. I'll set that right there and carefully roll it up. We are just going to repeat this process until all of our little vegan turkey roll-ups are rolled. Now we are just going to carefully transfer these into our baking dish. That one lost a little filling. I'm just going to stick it right back in there. I'm going to top this with some more of our gravy and into the preheated oven, and we are going to cover it because we don't really want it to brown on the top. Now we are ready to plate this up. Get some cranberry sauce on there, a scoop of mashed potatoes for a little bed, and then one of our little turkey roll-ups. Top it with a little bit of parsley. Now that I've slid over my cranberry sauce, I have room to get some of these green beans on here. And our leftovers are reinvented. Our plate is all prepared. You can see a little cross section of it there. You got all of our goodness inside. The way we combined everything together, it's like a bite of Thanksgiving all at once. I hope you enjoyed this, and please come back and see me next week.